I look at manufacturing as a way to learn. My job consists of a lot of troubleshooting. So I need to find that root cause. And it's kind of like a sleuth, you know? You're looking for that clue to tell you this is out of place and this needs to be here. And for me, it's a challenge. I like the challenge. My big thing is with those challenges, it's a good feeling to figure them out, you know? And then working in a team. Everything out there is team-based. Some of those guys that have the big laser experience, like some of the engineers and some of the maintenance guys, sitting and talking with them. My 6 years of experience to their 20, 21 years of experience, you know, I always try to learn something new every day. It opens up that floodgate and it's like, I want to take as much of it in as I can, because there's so many different stages between manufacturing. You have the fabrication, you have the paint, you have the weld, and that's all mixed together to make a finished product. That's basically what manufacturing is to me. It's to start with nothing, have a few problems along the way, troubleshoot it, and then end with something magnificent.